Testing, testing, 1, 2. Hello everyone! In case you saw my recent post, I just got 3 new push-along engines. And they are in their celebration theme. Because this is something to celebrate. I got Thomas, Percy, and Nia. All 3 new push-along celebration engines. To celebrate having over 300 subscribers, I'm going to be unboxing these one by one. So to start off, I'm going to be unboxing the #1 engine himself. And out comes Thomas. And boy, Thomas is looking festive. Got all those banners and confetti and balloons. Just loving a new face on Thomas. Loving the color wheels, orange, yellow, and purple. Other side, top, and the bottom. I just love the white undercarriage. It just says Thomas. Copyright 2021, Ghislaine Thomas Limited. This is a very festive Thomas. I was loving the detail. Colored wheels, white undercarriage, a new face. And the confetti, the balloons, and banners or streamers. Yep, one festive engine. Next up, next up is Thomas's best friend, Percy. Here's the box. And over there it goes. Here's Percy looking to the left. Whereas on this Thomas, he's looking to the right. I actually like the detail on the face. Thomas is looking to the right, and Percy is looking to the left. As if they're looking at each other. I say that's a nice detail. Now enough of Thomas. Back to Percy. Again with the colored wheels. This time we got blue and orange. And we got more balloons, confetti, confetti on the whistle, a bit on the dome. More balloons and confetti. Percy's looking all festive today. Here's the back. Here's the top. And here's the bottom. Again with the white undercarriage. Percy. I believe the face he has is probably reused from... let me see. I think that face was reused from the Muddy Percy that came with the track bucket. Oh, speaking of track buckets, I just found another track bucket, but the case for it is blue instead of green. And the main difference is that the blue track bucket does not come with an engine, whereas on the track bucket I got right now, it comes with an engine. In that case, an exclusive Muddy version of Percy. No, not the Muddy Percy I got right now. The one that came with a bucket. Yeah, that's Percy. And lastly, Nia. That was easy. Here's Nia. I believe the face is just her stock standard face. I got a regular Nia. Wait a sec. Oh, wait, nope. It's not stock standard. It's just a new phase. Here's regular Nia. Yep, different faces. Oh, I was wrong. I think this face was likely copied from the motorized version. There you go, Sandy. Anyways, here's Nia. Balloons and confetti. Do I need to say more? I talked about this already. Balloons and confetti. Nia also has color wheels. Yellow, purple, and green. confetti on the boiler. Here's the top, and here's the bottom. The white undercarriage, see Nia, trademark. And yeah, that's Nia, Percy, and Thomas. 3 new push-along celebration engines. And as a way to celebrate over 300 subscribers, I thank you. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below and tell me which celebration engine is your favorite. I'm always looking forward to hear from you. And as always, thanks for watching and see you soon.